Hey there, health enthusiast. Did you know that a simple, refreshing drink can transform your health in countless ways? That's right, we're talking about cucumber juice. Stick around to discover how this green powerhouse can boost your energy, clear your skin, and even help you lose weight. You won't want to miss this. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more health tips and tricks. Today we're diving deep into the world of cucumber juice and its amazing benefits. So grab a glass of cucumber juice, sit back, and let's get started. First up, let's talk about hydration. Did you know that cucumbers are composed of 96% water? Drinking cucumber juice is an excellent way to stay hydrated, especially during the hot summer months. Proper hydration is crucial for maintaining overall health, aiding in digestion, regulating body temperature, and keeping your skin glowing. So if you're tired of plain old water, cucumber juice is a delicious and refreshing alternative. Cucumber juice is a nutritional powerhouse. It's loaded with essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin K, vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, and manganese. These nutrients are vital for maintaining strong bones, boosting your immune system, and supporting cardiovascular health. Plus, it's low in calories, making it a perfect addition to any diet. Now, let's talk about detoxification. Cucumber juice acts as a natural detoxifier. It helps flush out toxins from your body thanks to its high water content and diuretic properties. This can aid in improving kidney function and overall health. By including cucumber juice in your diet, you can support your body's natural detox processes and feel more energized and revitalized. Trying to shed some pounds? Cucumber juice might be your new best friend. It's low in calories but high in fiber, which can help you feel full longer and reduce your overall calorie intake. The fiber content also aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation, keeping your digestive system running smoothly. Incorporate cucumber juice into your diet as a refreshing, low-calorie snack or meal replacement. But one of the most celebrated benefits of cucumber juice is its impact on skin health. The antioxidants and silica in cucumber juice help to rejuvenate and hydrate your skin from within. Regular consumption can lead to a clearer, more radiant complexion. Additionally, cucumber juice can be applied topically to soothe irritated skin, reduce puffiness, and combat acne. Cucumber juice is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants and flavonoids found in cucumbers help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. This can be particularly beneficial for people suffering from chronic inflammatory conditions like arthritis. Drinking cucumber juice regularly may help alleviate pain and improve joint mobility. Heart health is another area where cucumber juice shines. The potassium content in cucumbers helps regulate blood pressure by balancing out the negative effects of sodium. Additionally, the antioxidants in cucumber juice help reduce cholesterol levels and prevent the buildup of plaque in arteries. By including cucumber juice in your diet, you can support a healthy heart and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Let's not forget about bone health. Cucumber juice is rich in vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone metabolism and helps improve calcium absorption. This can help prevent bone-related issues such as osteoporosis and enhance overall bone strength. For those looking to maintain strong and healthy bones, cucumber juice is a fantastic addition to your daily routine. Are you looking for a natural way to improve your hair health? Cucumber juice might be the answer. The silica and sulfur in cucumber juice promote hair growth and strength, while the antioxidants help protect your hair from damage. Drinking cucumber juice regularly can result in shinier, healthier hair. Last but not least, cucumber juice can even help boost your mood. The B vitamins found in cucumbers, such as B1, B5, and B7, are known to help reduce feelings of anxiety and stress. By adding cucumber juice to your diet, you can support your mental health and enhance your overall well-being. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of cucumber juice. From hydration and detoxification to glowing skin and weight loss, this simple drink offers a myriad of health benefits. So why not give it a try? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your favorite way to enjoy cucumber juice. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and wellness advice. If you're interested in more healthy tips, check out our other videos. And remember, the key to a healthy lifestyle is making small, consistent changes that you can stick with. Cheers to your health.